Hello and welcome to 20 Broderick. This is a spectacular top floor unit located in between the Panhandle and Buena Vista Park. Okay, so let's enter this building. You have a completely separate entrance and you walk up to the top floor. You're just a block away from the Panhandle, blocks from the Divisadero corridors where you'll find many fantastic restaurants. Okay, you walk into this grand foyer, beautiful hardwood floors throughout. There's an amazing living room with bay window and original stained glass windows. Take a look at that. These are the original windows. And the owner has completely turned this unit around with a modern kitchen and bath, yet retain a lot of the old charm. This is a formal dining room. Many have converted this to a fourth bedroom. Lots of stained glass windows here. This room is set back off the street. And it is a very quiet building and a very quiet street as well. Okay, walking down the hall just a little bit to the right here is a small bedroom. I would call this an office with a closet. There are double pane windows. This would also be a great guest room, but perfect for a home office if you are still working from home. Okay, this is a half bath here. Right next door is your full bath, beautiful tub and shower combined, nice medicine cabinet, lots of storage space. And take a look at this kitchen. This kitchen's been completely redone. Stone counters, gas range, dishwasher, refrigerator, hood, tons of cabinet and counter space. And there's plenty of room there for a little table or a kitchen island as well. Okay, this unit has a back porch with your private stackable laundry machines, exclusive for this unit. Okay, that goes upstairs, which I'm going to show you last. Here is another bedroom here. You have a nice big closet. Both bedrooms here have shared patios that overlook this spectacular view. They're both equal in size. Just amazing to have 3 bedrooms with fantastic views. Okay, here's closet number 1. Closet number 2. So lots of storage space in this unit. Okay, now for my favorite part of this flat. We're going to go upstairs to a grand master suite. Out the window is a spectacular view of the city, which I'll show you momentarily, and a private deck. This room fits a king-size bed, a sofa, and so much more. You have a huge walk-in closet and a big, beautiful bathroom with his and her sink, 2 medicine cabinets, lots of storage, and a tub and shower combination. Okay, let's step out onto this deck. Oh, but first, another closet. So definitely no shortage of closet space here. And here's looking back at the entire room. Nice recessed lighting as well. Okay, let's step outside. Beautiful deck, view of the city, sunny part of town. If you're interested in this unit, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much.